Oh yes, the room continues to get messier and messier, but all this is gonna get cleared tomorrow, most probably in the morning, because the ride is gonna start tomorrow. What's up guys, kaise ho? Elana, hope everyone is doing great. This time it's not gonna be a regular trip. We're planning something a little bit of adventurous. It might be quite a long trip, it might be a short trip, but it's gonna be a little bit raw. Abhi to itinerary hai, but it's not like 100% done. There is the itinerary, which I cannot show. Time is 7:30 p.m. in the evening, and I'm almost done. Couple of things to do. I have to put the laptop inside, just exporting some stuff for tomorrow's vlog. And let me quickly tell you what all am I taking, as usual. There's my top box, my left pannier, my right pannier, and the tank bag. That's it. I'm not taking this camera bag. There is my old Shubat helmet. Removed everything from it because I have to remove the Sena and put it on the new helmet. AG is almost ready. GoPro is ready. Sena is ready. Need to put the visor. There's the visor, yeah, yes. Didn't remove the seal yet. I have to fix the pin lock, very important because it's very cold and you need a pin lock. And most of my old subscribers know this. Top box has most of my clothes, and I'm gonna put the laptop in this. This is the left pannier, this is the right pannier, or you can interchange. This is the best part about Triumph panniers. In this pannier I have my shoes, all the Ganda stuff basically. In this pannier I have a jacket, and most important, oats, protein powder, protein bars, lots of protein bars, because we are not gonna eat outside. Tank bag mein, this camera is going to go inside this. Important bungee cords. I don't need bungee cords as long as you have panniers and top box, all that, but just in case. All the cables, extra mounts, extra batteries, all that go into this tank bag. Oh yes, I thought actually I'll wear my climb gear and go this time because it's very cold. Rhinox is definitely good. Only thing is it's a mesh jacket. This is a proper mesh jacket. As you can see, Hawa is going to go inside properly and make you ice cold. I tried my climb gear. You guys know I lost a lot of weight and I'm literally sinking into it. But then I was still like, chalo, this time I'll wear it because looks are secondary. Comfort and protection from this kind of weather is very important. But then I lost more weight this time and I'm nowhere to be seen except my neck. And not only that, your jacket and your riding pants, they shouldn't be so loose running around you. They should be as close as possible to your body. So let me take one by one down, fix it on the bike. Tomorrow morning by 5 o'clock, plan is to leave by 5 o'clock. It's only two of us, like you guys know, Shiva and me, so most probably should be done without any delay. Oops, no, I have to put the laptop in this. Let me remove the laptop, accessories, everything, and put it into the over secret. Okay, one more thing, I'll be taking 2 sets of gloves. I'll be taking the climb gloves because this is once again Gore-Tex. It's gonna keep me warm. People told me who are traveling right now, they told me it's gonna be very chilly outside. I can understand. Right now temperature in Hyderabad, right now it is 18 degrees. In the morning it's gonna be around 13 degrees around 5 o'clock, and that's the time we're planning to start. And also I'm gonna take second set of gloves, the proper Triumph gloves, which are made for UK. These survive in proper cold countries, and as you can see, these look Eskimo gloves, and this is a special material inside this called 3M Thinsulate, which is specifically made for extra warmth from the brand you trust. Chalo, see you guys tomorrow morning. Alright, very good morning guys. What's up guys? Kaise ho? Elana, hope everyone is doing. Time is 6:10. I told you it's gonna get late, right? Plan was to leave at 5 o'clock, but almost 1 hour 14 minutes of a delay as of now. But that doesn't matter much because it's just me and Shiva. After we start the ride, there's not gonna be much of a delay. Once we start the ride, planning to start in another 10 or 15 minutes. I'm waiting for Shiva's call. Once he calls me, let's get out. And once we start the ride, I don't think we're gonna stop for at least 2 to 3 hours. And today it's gonna be from Hyderabad to Nagpur. Where are we going? Are you people starting to guess? We are entering Maharashtra, that's for sure. Till Nagpur we'll go today. Udhar se we'll sit in a room and decide. We have just where to go and all that, but we're still thinking. It's gonna be exciting, okay? So before you go ahead and watch this video, first thing you need to do is hit that subscribe button, because we're gonna get some super amazing, exciting vlogs like I've been promising. So, oh, by the way, it is not like really cold. It is cold, but I expected it to be much more colder. Oh, I can see a lot of fog and all. Can you guys see that? Little bit of fog. I expected a lot actually. Look at the bike, looks so amazing. Yeah, everyone is sleeping, so doesn't matter whatever you achieve in life. Doesn't matter if you're going to Khardungla. Doesn't matter if you're going to Ladakh or China border. Mandatory Indian insurance. I respect it. Mom's policy. Seriously, yaar, I'm not able to understand. I did not think my day is gonna start like this. Stupid GoPro, it doesn't seem to work properly. I don't want to bash brands like this, but come on, yaar, if you're giving me a hand like this when I really need you, it's not done, dude. I don't know what happened. It's completely discharged, my GoPro. Last night itself I charged it. Somehow it is not working. I had to change the battery again, but other battery, luckily there's only 85%. At least I actually need to start charging it, dude. So at least the GoPro is working now. That's all we need. Let's start and get out. Temperature 17.5 degrees. First thing we need to do is go get some fuel. Almost, oh, even the fuel indicator is up. Let's start here. Shiva already started like 10-15 minutes back. Oh, I forgot. I have panniers. Every time I do this, I just perfectly came from the gate. Hopefully the climb gloves should help me out in this chilly weather. Right now it's not chilly, but once we reach Nagpur, in case it gets too chilly, I still have my Triumph Thinsulate gloves. Oh yes, and definitely, yeah, it is so comfortable, this AGV helmet K6. Only thing is it doesn't insulate the sound as much as the Schuberth. I can hear my engine sound like properly today. Whoa, that's a beautiful sight. Also, I think by the time I reach home, this road will be done like properly. We'll have a proper, what is that sound? We'll have a proper 4-lane highway. Not highway, but we'll have a proper 4-lane main road here. Almost getting done. Like within 3-4 days they did so much. That's great improvement. And there's going to be a white top road, which is a cement road. Absolutely amazing. Finally, after 6 years, I can come and witness something beautiful in our area. I hope I've taken everything. Abhi, it doesn't matter. I already started. Even if I forget something, I'll have to buy it on the way. Why is it so full here? Kya chal raha bhai? Almost reaching the meeting point and 15 degree hai bhai, 15 degree, 15.5 actually. And yes, I can feel it. Oh shit, I didn't close this zip pocket and my iPhone is trying to sneak out. First thing I have to do as soon as I reach the highway is put some fuel, dude. It's the first time I'm having this light for such a long time. Not even when I went to Ladakh or even the China border. Sriman, you're ignoring the tiger. Dark horse ko ignore kar raha tu. What's up, Shiva? Secret location. Room ke liye, let's decide where to go. Let's go to Nagpur for now. Elli coin toss chedam. We are going into Maharashtra, that's for sure. We don't know where. For now, Nagpur. Okay, officially the ride has started. Just fueled up, a full tank kar diya, almost 1300 rupees kuch I think, and temperature 19 degrees so hai abhi. Actually it was 16 degrees before. Nagpur is approximately 480-500 kilometers. We are seeing like I told you, plan is gonna be really raw this time. So abhi to plan hai, let's go to Nagpur. just for the record, time is 7:30. That is what excites me about Indian highways, you know. Nothing is predictable. It'll always keep you alert. If you're not alert, khel khatam, dukhan band. So let's hit it. This is the first time we stopped here while going to Ladakh, Indalwai Toll Plaza. Actually, this is second toll plaza, right? We already crossed one. Third, huh? Okay. But this looks like a proper toll plaza. Previous two were like Panda bus. Done what? 120 kilometers. I put a trip, I think, after the petrol bunk. Petrol bunk se 120 was the घर से 130, 135. इनके Nagpur 390, 380. Oh, cute! Just 360 kilometers to Nagpur. Lunch in Nagpur. If we forget anything, we'll go back. Okay, quick ride update done. Approximately exactly 156 kilometers. No, घर से actually you can add 15 kilometers to the meeting point, to the petrol bunk actually. So I think we did 170 kilometers. Food. Oh, yes, food. पहले food खाएंगे. I had my breakfast, dude. Oh, we have small Ratnadeep here.
Small Indra.
Micro Ratnadeep. What is this, Shiva?
Chudwa.
So do you need to put this in hot water and have? We have poha, we have khatta mita poha. Oh, flavors kuda unnaya. Rava upma classic. You eat, I had my breakfast. I'll give you hot water. Pace is going super amazing. Ee lekkalo, I think we'll be reaching Nagpur in another 3-4 hours max. 330 kilometers left from here, from exactly this point. Map shows 5 hours, 308 kilometers. Very cute. I think we're gonna do it in 4 hours.
Yeah, because
at least 4 hours.
The tectonic plates are moving, right? Nagpur is also coming towards us.
Tectonic plates. I think 30 kilometers, 20 to the destination. Actually, we reached Nagpur. As you can see, lot of jam. This has to happen whenever we enter a city. Temperature has also increased to almost 30 degrees, dude. 28.5. I think there's a signal here. Arey, Shiva, you're enjoying. I have to sneak through this with my panniers. Lag gaya. No, abba, half an inch. Arey, lari elak raag raha. But I'm really getting used to riding with panniers now. अरे आगन रा गुत्ते मेरो మొత్తం చకడాలు వస్తే బయటికి. Is this an accident or is this a toll gate or is there a signal? What the f is this jam? ఇన్ని లారీలు ఉన్నాయందిరా. ఇండియాలో ఉన్న లారీలు అన్నీ ఇక్కడనే ఉన్నట్టున్నాయి. దింపు. నేను రైట్ హ్యాండ్స్ ట్రై చేస్తున్నా. నా ప్యానియర్స్ దే ఆర్ మిస్సింగ్ ఆల్ ది ట్రక్స్ బై అన్ ఇంచ్. వెళ్తుందా కమాన్ కెన్ ఐ ప్యానియర్స్. ఓ ఎస్. అరే క్యా జామ్, సీరియస్లీ ఎంత దూరం ఉందిరా ఇది ఇట్లా. Board shows Nagpur is just 18 kilometers, but oh god, what is happening? స్ట్రైట్గా సైడ్ నుంచి వస్తున్నా నేను. లెఫ్ట్ దిగిపోవచ్చు కానీ టూ రిస్కీ. అరే ముఖం మీద అంతా దుమ్ము పోస్తుంటారు ఈడు. మొత్తం లెఫ్ట్లోనే వచ్చేసాయి. See, this is the issue because they closed this road. There's a diversion. Shiva, guess. Oh, you're looking cute. How was the ride?
That was
Like
quick.
that, exciting.
That was quick.
Very quick. 6 hours.
We still have another half day, dude.
Half day. अभी
Yeah.
time कितना हो?
अभी तो दिन शुरू हुआ है.
See, this is a good thing. If you start early, you miss all the traffic in the city. Actually, it's not all that this time. Our pace was excellent. Like next level excellent. Time is just 2:50. We reached around 1:15.
Yeah.
Around 1:15. Actually, ending में there was a little bit of traffic. Otherwise, we would reach by 1 o'clock at least. And we started in the morning 7:30. 6 hours.
6 hours.
6 hours. This is record-breaking time for me at least from Hyderabad to Nagpur.
It's only one record. I only came once before.
Oh, this is the first time. He came from Nagpur to Hyderabad, but not Hyderabad to Nagpur. And we have lot of history here.
Hyderabad to Nagpur.
Never.
Yeah, we didn't do.
This is the first time you're coming. Shiva has a good record here. Even me, actually.
Arre.
Going from Nagpur to Hyderabad is
No,
scary.
we can just leave it blank. They will fill it. They know everything what happened
Yeah,
in
you guys
Nagpur.
know. For the new subscribers. Mera to you guys know. Coming from Ladakh, I had this problem. Tire puncture, not tire tear. Shiva ka to phone gaya. You got that phone? Nagpur memories. This is the exact same phone that fell on this highway, NH44. By the way, we took a hotel just close to the highway so that we can get out tomorrow morning early without going to the city and all that. This is the phone, check it out. He had to get a new phone because this is scratching his hands.
No, we
Scratching? Cutting
know
his
what
hands.
Nagpur can do, so I brought a spare phone.
Just for Nagpur.
For the Nagpur
If it
purposes.
falls again, this will take the bali. Any plans today? Shiva is gonna enjoy some crazy food here. Haldirams.
Yeah, only for today.
Only for today. I ordered my typical chicken, barbecue chicken and some rosemary chicken it seems. Chalo go take a shower, come back. Evening we'll hit the gym for some time because we're too energetic. It felt like a proper breakfast ride. And we were thinking actually next time we can have breakfast at Haldirams and go back home. Because literally we came at 1 o'clock.
Did you tell that we are coming here?
That's my barbecue chicken. It looks very fancy. Yes, wherever I go, I have to maintain the diet. That's very important because I'm getting close to my goal and I don't want to miss that. Broccoli with some barbecue sauce. Barbecue sauce is not actually allowed, but then once in a while, thoda sa, I think that should do. Anyways, we are riding so much, so. Chalo, let me finish my lunch and I'll see you guys in the evening. Need to take a little bit of nap because I got up like 4 a.m., 5 a.m.
ప్లెయిన్ దోశ చాలా బాగుంటుందంట. అబ్బా మస్ట్ ట్రై.
Shiva, you're wearing a nice t-shirt called Make Life a Ride. Very interesting.
చూసి నేర్చుకోండి.
ఇట్లాంటివి నేర్పియద్దురా. Actually, I thought we'll go out today. We'll go to Haldirams, do all that stuff. He's gonna eat, I'm gonna look. That was a plan, but I don't think that's gonna happen because we're staying in the outskirts of the city. To go there, we need to take a cab because we're not comfortable taking the bikes and going there. Especially iska dunapotu, we don't wanna take it and go.
We need
Box
to
at
flex our
twin.
muscles a lot more.
Tomorrow morning we're leaving. We're leaving to. We'll come there. Wait. We'll come there. we'll plan that. We'll have to toss a coin and do all that. Where to go? Left, right, south, north. For now,
So,
luckily Swiggy is here, so we're
Toss
ordering
no?
food from Haldirams.
Haldirams.
Once again, Shiva had Haldirams already.
రాజ్ కచోరీ, ఆలూ టిక్కీ చోలే.
No, how was your lunch? He's got a good platter and all that. There is the finished plate. So 9 out of 10.
Oh yeah.
So
For
in
the kind of food that I'm eating since 2 months.
Today is like super cheap.
10 on 10.
So in case you people are coming to Nagpur, I have already said this before when we came to Nagpur. Do not miss eating Haldiram's food. It's amazing. He's tempting me. That is rasgulla.
2 pieces ఉన్నాయి.
Whatever, don't order any sweets for me. You can enjoy. I will look at you.
I'm not eating.
I'll smell your
I am
food.
done. I am done. Arey, I want to add this.
What?
Sorry.
With that Kesar Badam milk. Shiva start. Actually, I'm surprised. No, I'm not surprised, but I'm happy that Shiva came into this diet and is not having. Where is it? Hey, తినేసినావా ఏంది? నువ్వు వస్తున్నావు తెలిసి ఇవ్వలేదురా. లాగ్ లో చూస్తుంటాడు శివ కుమార్ ఇస్ కమింగ్ ఓ షిట్ లెట్స్ రిమూవ్ ది మిల్క్ పౌడర్ ఓకే లెట్ మీ మేక్ ది ఆర్డర్ అండ్ దెన్ విల్ డిసైడ్ ది రైట్ ప్లాన్ ఫర్ టుమారో ఇట్ ఆల్ డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్ శివ ఇస్ ది ఐటనరీ ప్లానర్ ఫర్
Yeah, so the plan is we are planning to toss a coin. If the coin is staying up, we'll go north. If the coin is coming down, we'll come south.
అరే ఆల్వేస్ కమ్ డౌన్ డూడ్ అలాంటి పెట్టకు
కాయిన్ ఎట్లా వేయాలి అంటే పైనే ఉండాలి
ఉంటే అప్పుడు
పైన ఉంటే పైకే పోతూ ఉంటాం. We just saw a very interesting sometime before.
అరే ఇది చెప్దాం అనుకున్నాం విన్న డాక్టర్ అరే there's a very funny thing that happened. So Shiva just called the reception. Actually I ordered for diet coke. They sent us a normal coke. I didn't realize. I sipped a little bit. Luckily I didn't have it much. And then he started having. He realized it is not diet coke. It is normal coke.
I also only sipped.
He was only sipped. మధ్యలో రసగుల్లా తిన్నోరా
ఈ ఫ్రీ క్రెడిట్స్ వద్దు.
I told him call them up and tell them that is not diet coke. We are sugar patients. We shouldn't be having sugar. But you sent us normal coke. Those people like sir. I'm sorry. Should we send you a doctor?
No. Send diet coke.
Send diet coke. Cancel normal coke. Don't add that in the bill. Okay. So then see you guys tomorrow. In case you guys have liked this video, definitely hit the like button. Do share, do comment, do subscribe. అంతే కొత్త రేపటి నుంచి చూద్దాం మా వాడు ఎక్కడికో తీసుకుపోతున్నాడు. Hopefully that should be adventurous.
Wait and watch.
Okay, I thought I'll end the video, but then we got a beautiful looking amazing food. So I'm sorry, but I'll have to make your mouths water. And that's Raj Kachori by Haldiram's. Come on Shiva, let it fall. Is that dahi or is it cream? I think the curd should go inside the Raj Kachori. అన్నీ లేదు కడుపులోకే కదా
లోపల ఇట్లా ఉంటుంది.
అరే అంత పెరుగు పోయారేమోరా. This is for both of us. I'm gonna have a little bit and that's my boring food. Fish, basa fish. Sorry Zishan. Hey, it's not sweet but very mildly sweet. Now let's enjoy the Raj Kachori. He also ordered badam kesar milk. He's a little bit disappointed with this because he expected something like this as a glass mein. It came in a tetra pack. Jai Haldiram's.
సౌండ్ రావాలి.
Kachak. After a long time.
సో ఇక్కడ ఆ రాటటూయి సీన్ పెట్టచ్చు.